Nike reintroduces one of its boldest classics, the Shox R4 College Gray, a mix of retro performance and modern streetwear style. With its iconic Shox cushioning and futuristic silhouette, this sneaker brings back early 2000s energy with a clean, versatile update. Dressed in smooth college gray tones, black accents highlight the swoosh and midsole, while subtle fire red streaks down the center give it a striking edge. Once known for daring collaborations like Martine Rose's mule-inspired designs, the Shox R4 returns to mainstream appeal, perfect for both casual wear and collectors. Priced at $155, this men's release blends sport-driven innovation with everyday style. Whether you're into Nike classics, sneaker culture, or street fashion, the college gray Shox R4 deserves a spot in your rotation. It's a strong reminder that Nike's Shox legacy isn't just history, it's evolving.